Howdy folks, this is my first attempt at plotting with the Onefinity. The G-code here is the test that comes preloaded on the controller. The pen magazine that you see is my own design. It needs quite a bit of work. You can see the red pen is flopping around a bit. The tolerances are terrible. But I'm happy that I could print with the first draft out of the printer at all. Let's see, next steps on this project are going to be allowing Z-probing with the pen magazine. That's probably going to be a holder for the probe magnet that on the side of the magazine there that the magnet can clip into in order to probe down. Tightening up the tolerances on the magazine itself so that the pens don't flop around, and you can't see it in the video, but so the pen tips are being held a little more stable when they're out. Also, I want to put together an autochanger, which is basically going to look like a finger, static finger sticking down that I can basically Z plus into at specific positions to actuate each pen. And then I need to sort out the software to kind of do those color changes, click one pen off, one pen on, and to do the tool offsets. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got to today. So thank you as always for watching, and we will see you on the next one.